In the early hours of Sunday morning, a young woman was fatally stabbed following an altercation with a man in a station car park in West Sussex. The incident took place near Crawley Station, where police were called to Station Way around 7:10 a.m. after reports of a fight. Upon searching the area, officers discovered the victim, who had suffered multiple stab wounds. Despite efforts from paramedics to treat the woman at the scene, she was declared dead shortly afterward. A 26-year-old man from Crawley has been arrested on suspicion of murder and remains in custody as the investigation continues.